Hi all, I am Monica. Today our chapter 12 is about flowchart creation. Here what we are covering in this chapter. Flowchart creation. How to create a flowchart and what are the rules to create a flowchart. How to make a flowchart. Here one process of a block is connected to another block through a flow lines. How to make a flowchart in Word. Open a blank document in Word. Add shapes. To begin adding shapes to your flowchart in Word, you have two options. Begin by going to Insert tab within the ribbon and choose Smart Art or Shapes. You can add symbols using Smart Art or Symbols. Smart Art graphics are pre-made collections of shapes within a gallery. The Shapes tool provides a basic selection of shaped objects that can be inserted and edited onto the document. Add text. Add text to a SmartArt graphic by clicking the filler text and begin typing. Depending on how much text you add, the shape and font will automatically resize to fit. For a shape, add text by double-clicking the object and begin typing. To customize the font, use the toolbox that pops up when a desired shape is selected. Add lines. To draw lines between shapes, click Insert and then Shapes and select a line style. Then click and drag on the page to add a line. Format shapes and lines. For some of the simplest editing options, a menu will appear with basic editing options when you right-click on an object. Now, to edit the text layout, click the Layout Options icon that appears when you right-click a text box and pick your preferred layout. You can also view the rest of the options when you click See More. Move a shape or lines anywhere on the Word document by simply clicking and dragging. If you're trying to resize the image, just click and drag from a corner or edge and use the handle icon to rotate the shape. If you select a graphic, change the design of your shapes by selecting your objects and choosing an option from the two new tabs in the ribbon Format and Design. If you select a shape, when changing the design of an object that was placed using shapes, the Format tab will appear when you select the format shape to begin your modifications. Rules to make a flowchart. Map out major steps. Start drawing several major blocks that represent the most important steps in your process. Flowchart is actually a great tool for brainstorming, which means you don't need to have every detail of chart worked out before drawing the diagram. In most cases, you can start with the starting block and continue working your way through the end of the process. Because flowcharts are left to right and top to bottom, start your first node at the top left corner of your workspace. Key in details. Fill in the remaining steps. We recommend working in the natural order of the process. An optional step here is to style your chart with different shades and color to make it easier to follow. Test your result. Work through all the steps in your chart to make sure they are clear and exhaustive and that there is no open-ended node remained. When there is a decision point, make sure the options cover all possible scenarios. Gather feedback on your flowchart. Share a draft of the flowchart and get feedback from the intended users. If the flowchart is meant just for yourself, then you can skip this step. But if the chart is meant for a team or a group of people, then it's important to get their feedback to make sure that your flowchart is accurate and helpful. Publish the flowchart. Flowchart should be made easily accessible to all parties involved. So make sure you publish your work in the right place. End of the chapter 12. Thank you.